One of the things that can inhibit us is the tyranny of this very narrow, small target of the healthy self that we then have to perfect, and through perfectionistic means live into this tiny little, like, I have to nail it exactly right every time that I go out there. And I want to blow that open a little bit and say, it's messy. It's messy, and you're going to fall off on different areas, and you're going to go too strong one way and too strong another way. And the more that you can find the compassionate witnessing self in your psyche, who can get playful and embrace trial and error and see every mistake as learning, the more fun this is going to be and the more growing you are going to do. Otherwise, what happens is we get very locked up in fear and perfectionism. And then the other thing that happens is we project that onto everybody around us, and we get critical and judgmental of all of the ways that they too are doing it wrong. And that is the consciousness we're trying to undo. That is actually the layer of toxicity that we're trying to dissolve, is that part of ourselves that gets critical and judgmental. Yeah. Or that thinks that people have to be perfect before they can be in relationship. No. We get it wrong all the time. When you make peace with the fact that you're going to get it wrong all the time, that, you know, you're going to have earpods in and your hair is going to cover it and somebody's going to feel destabilized and it didn't work for them and I didn't think to bring it up. And, you know, when I'm really giving myself permission to not get it right, that's really when my heart opens and I can become co-creative and collaborative, because there's nothing to defend. If I'm at peace with the fact that I don't get it right all the time, there's nothing to defend. There's just a relationship to be had, and you'll get a lot more ease. So just a couple of words on that.